Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Health Reset. Here we bring you the best tips on health, wellness and living well. Let's dive in. Healthy foods high in cholesterol. Hello everyone. Today let's dive into some foods that are high in cholesterol but still healthy if eaten correctly. Let's find out more. First up, we have eggs. Eggs are packed with nutrients, but they also contain quite a bit of cholesterol. One large fried egg has around 169 milligrams of cholesterol. However, the good news is that eating eggs in moderation doesn't increase your risk of heart disease or cause issues like inflammation or hardening of the arteries. Healthy adults can safely eat 1 to 2 eggs per day. According to dietary guidelines, the daily cholesterol limit is 300 milligrams for healthy people and 200 milligrams for those at higher risk for heart disease. Eggs provide essential vitamins, iron and protein while being low in saturated fat. Plus, egg whites contain no cholesterol, so you can enjoy more of them if you prefer. Next up is sardines. This popular food is great for heart health. In 100 grams of sardines, there are about 131 milligrams of cholesterol. According to the American Heart Association, eating 2 servings of sardines, or about 113 grams per serving, is perfectly safe. Sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that our bodies cannot produce. Omega-3s help control triglyceride levels in the blood, a type of fat that can harm the heart if elevated. So, sardines are an excellent choice for those wanting nutrition along with cholesterol control. Moving on to shellfish, such as shrimp and crab. For instance, eating 12 large shrimp provides about 130 milligrams of cholesterol and only 2 grams of fat. Shrimp is rich in vitamin B, protein, and key minerals like selenium and zinc, which help boost immunity and overall health. However, if you're eating a lot of shellfish, consider consulting your doctor to balance your weekly intake, especially if your cholesterol levels are high. Other shellfish, like crab, contain even less cholesterol and fat than shrimp, so they're a good alternative if you want to cut back on cholesterol. Lastly, let's talk about lean meats. For those concerned about cholesterol, lean meats are a great option. In 100 grams of ground beef, there's about 80 to 110 milligrams of cholesterol. By trimming the fat from a steak, each 113-gram serving has only around 45 milligrams of cholesterol. To keep your meal healthy, go for lean ground beef or skinless grilled chicken. If you're avoiding red meat, skinless poultry is also a low-cholesterol option that still provides enough protein. In addition to choosing the right foods, remember that other factors can impact your cholesterol levels, such as genetics, lack of exercise, being overweight, and smoking. It's also important to watch your alcohol intake, as too much alcohol can raise cholesterol and triglyceride levels, as well as lead to weight gain. Experts recommend men limit themselves to 2 drinks per day and women to 1. So that's a quick look at foods that are high in cholesterol but still healthy if enjoyed in moderation. We hope this video gave you useful insights to help you build a balanced, healthy diet. Don't forget to follow us for more interesting nutrition tips. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to support us in making more videos.